Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here to share my Die Hard club kit that I got for July. And this is from the Stamps of Life. I will leave the link to their YouTube channel in my description box below so you can go check them out. So the Die Hard Club is a monthly subscription. It is like the second tier of the club level, I guess. The first tier would just be the, is it a stamping club? So if you were in the first tier, you would just get the stamp set. I'm in the Die Hard Club, which is the second tier, and you get the stamp set as well as the dies that match the stamps. And I'll just go floating by this to say happy birthday, happy summer, enjoy life, fun in the sun, hello, let your troubles float away, hi, just keep swimming. And how cute are all of these floaties? But yeah, and then the dies to match them, they will die cut them out, as well as this little floaty, the mini floaty. There's the die for that. How exciting! So all of the clubs come with a little inspiration card you get every month when you get your products. And so this comes on the first of the month. In the middle of the month, if you're a Gold Club member, you'll get the what is that one called? The club kit for the month. And it'll match these stamps and the dies, and you'll be able to use these with that club kit. So yeah, very summery. So hope you guys like it. Please like and subscribe. And until the next video, shakas!